Now, Delhi's air quality has plunged to hazardous levels on November 7, with the city recording an overall AQI of 727, according to data. The national capital has been struggling with worsening air conditions since Diwali as a combination of post-festival pollution, farm fires in neighboring states and low wind activity continue to trap pollutants over the city. Officials, however, have said that a marginal improvement is expected later in the day as wind speeds pick up. Meanwhile, my colleague Arzu Seth has filed a ground report. Let's take a look.
After 2 days of slight improvement in the air quality, once again the AQI has reached to very poor category in the national capital. Right now we are present at the Lodhi Road and would like to show you the visuals around how it looks like. It's a sunny day, but still the visibility is low, and also there is a blurriness in the environment as there is a thin layer of smog that has engulfed the entire area. Well, as we have now, it's like 10:30 around, so the visibility has little bit improved since the morning. But yes, in the early hours there was a very thick layer of smog that was seen today in the national capital. Also, if we talk about the AQI stood at 306 in the national capital. This is the overall AQI. Would also like to show the data to our viewers. As you can see, it's a red zone. The AQI is in the very poor category. Also, if we talk about the other areas of the national capital, you can see the stations where the monitoring centers are there. As you can see at Alipur, the AQI is 312. At ITO also, it's more than 300. At City Fort also, it's 321. So there are lot of areas in the national capital where AQI stood above 300, which comes under the very poor category. So this is a concerning, because continuously we have seen how AQI is increasing in the national capital. We have seen slight improvement in the past 2 days, but once again the AQI has reached to the very poor category. There is also a western disturbance, due to which the temperature in the national capital has also gone down, and due to which there will be a fog-like condition in the coming days. So after that there will be more concern after there will be a fog and also the pollution, and there will be smog that will be seen in in a large quantity in the national capital, which will become concern for the people living in the national capital. Well, what the government has to say that they are taking measures to combat with the pollution. They have deployed thousands of teams to ensure that there is no dust pollution, and also there is no open burning in the national capital. But yes, there are more permanent solutions that needs to be taken. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Sudhir for NewsX in Delhi.